Economics for plus basic concepts of national income. Students, earlier I taught you some basic concept of national income. Okay, today some remaining I am going to start. Investment. What is investment? Investment means addition in capital. Addition in capital during a particular period of time. That addition termed as investment. Okay? There is something difference. Means capital and investment. Capital means stock at the beginning of particular financial year. The stock that is termed as capital and addition in that capital, that is investment. Try to understand. A company starts during the beginning of the financial year. Its capital is 10 lakh. Okay, stock is 10 lakh. It means the capital is 10 lakh. And at the last of that financial year, its stock became 11 lakh. 11 lakh. What is the investment here? Investment 1 lakh. 11 lakh minus 10 lakh equals to 1 lakh. Addition in capital. What is addition in capital? Addition is in capital is 1 lakh. That's why here investment is 1 lakh. It's clear what is investment and what is capital. Let's read about factor cost and market price. What is factor cost? What is market price? Factor cost, in factor cost, what? The cost incurred for purchasing factor services. The cost incurred for purchasing factor services, that is termed as factor cost, and the cost without any taxes, that is the cost on which means goods are sold, that is market price. What is the difference between factor cost and market price? The difference between factor cost and market price is NIT. NIT means net indirect taxes. Okay? In factor cost, NIT excluded, and in market price, NIT included. Factor cost, NIT excluded, market price, NIT included. You can say here factor cost equals to MP minus NIT. MP equals to factor cost plus NIT. If factor cost is given and NIT is given, by that means you can calculate market price. Okay? The difference between factor cost and market price is NIT. The difference between gross and net. Gross and you have to study here one more thing. The difference between national and domestic. Gross and net. The difference between not gross and net is depreciation. In gross, depreciation is depreciation. In gross, depreciation is included. In net, depreciation is excluded. You can see here, gross equals to what? Net plus depreciation. Net equals to gross minus depreciation. Depreciation equals to gross minus net. But it will be help you whenever you calculate national income. One more thing here, that is national and domestic. What is national and what is domestic? National means NFIA. Net factor income from abroad. This is included. Net factor income from abroad included in the national and domestic. That is excluded. NFIA. It means national equals to what? Domestic plus NFIA. Domestic equals to national minus NFIA. NFIA equals to net factor income from abroad equals to national minus. Whenever you will calculate national income, you must have to keep in your mind. What you have to keep in your mind? Difference between FC and MP. Means what is the difference between FC and MP? Factor cost and market price. There is a difference of NIT. The difference between gross and net. The difference between gross and net is depreciation. There is the difference of depreciation. Depreciation is included in the gross, included in the net, and excluded in the actually. What is the difference between gross and net? Depreciation is included in gross and excluded in net. Next is there national and domestic. National domestic. What is the difference between national and domestic? The difference between national and domestic is NFIA. Net factor income from abroad. Two terms is here, from abroad and to abroad. Whenever from abroad and to abroad used at various places, the sense will be changed. Okay? If to abroad is given, sense will be changed, and from abroad is given, sense will be changed. So I am here written the formula here on the basis of from abroad. On the basis of from abroad, formula is written here. If to abroad would be there at the place of minus 1 minus 4 would be here. Here there will be plus. The factor cost, difference between factor cost and market price, gross and net, difference between national and domestic. So by the help of this, you can check the various aggregates of national income. Before this, you all read about 8 aggregates related national income. 8 aggregates related national income. GDP of D is given and you have to change in, suppose that GDP FC. So in that condition, what you have to change? You have to change market price in factor cost. In this condition, what would you do? You will do what? Here market price is there and you have to change in factor cost. In market price, what is included? NIT is included. And in factor cost, what is excluded? NIT is excluded. You can change that. But what you will change? By subtracting NIT from GDP of D, you can calculate GDP of C. GDP of C equals to GDP MD minus NIT. By subtracting NIT, you can calculate gross domestic product at factor cost. By this, suppose that if you have to change it in NDPFC, NDPFC equals to what? Net domestic product at factor cost. Here gross is given, here you have to calculate net. And what is the difference between gross and net? In gross, what is included? In gross, depreciation is included, and in net, that is excluded. So by subtracting depreciation, you can calculate NDPFC. NDPFC equals to GDPFC minus depreciation. Suppose that after that you have to calculate NNPFC. Here domestic is here, and this domestic you have to change in what? National. NNPFC. NNPFC equals to net national product at factor cost. Here domestic given, you have to find out national. So what is difference between national and domestic? The difference between national and domestic is NFIA. You can include NFIA. NNPFC equals to NDPFC minus NDPFC plus NFIA. By including NFIA, you can calculate national income. NNPFC, this is national income. This is national income. So by understanding this, we can calculate various aggregates. One aggregate, in other aggregates, you can change easily. Earlier you all read 8 aggregates. You can change these 8 aggregates by the help of this gross, net, national, domestic. And one more thing, gross, net, national, domestic, market price and factor price. Once more, market price and factor cost. You must have to do market price and factor cost. What is different? That different is NIT. Okay? Net and gross. What is difference? The difference between net and gross is depreciation. National and domestic. That difference is NFIA. Okay, I think means this will be beneficial for you whenever you will calculate national income. Now, in next video,